Cleaning your pool the old school way can be a pain. Robotic pool cleaners in the past have relied on cords and hoses to get their job done. However, there's a new wave of cordless robots that can clean your pool even better than the old traditional pool robots. In this video, I'll be partnering with Wybot to take a look at the S2. Let's go ahead and get started. First, let's get this out of the box and see what all we're working with. Right up top, we've got a quick start guide. Here's your charge cord. Here we've got a few additional filters and our pull retrieval hook. And lastly, we have the Wybot S2. We'll take a closer look. Up top here, you've got your port for charging right here. This will be the motor that creates the suction power. You've got your power button here. You have a mode button here. You've also got a nice handle up front, making this very easy to maneuver and carry around. Right down here, you'll notice a dual brush structure here. Right under here is where you're going to find your waste bin. So you've got a dual filtration system here. So you've got your fine mesh here that's going to trap all of your leaves and dirt and debris. There's a secondary filter with two filter types, and you can use a different type of filter depending on how much dust is on the bottom of the floor. You'll notice all around the device you've got various sensors here, so this thing knows where it's at and can plan an efficient cleaning path. On the side here, you've got your oversized Caterpillar wheels. It's going to enable this to climb stairs and of course climb the wall as well. On the bottom of the device, you can see the cleaning port. This is where all your leaves and debris enters the vacuum. So one thing that I really love about the Wybot S2 is just how simple it is. So like I mentioned earlier, there are no wires, cords, or hoses that you need for the S2. This includes a high capacity 7,800 milliamp hour battery that can clean your pool for up to 210 minutes per cycle. All you have to do is power it on, select the mode right there on the machine and put it in your pool, and it begins cleaning your pool. You can also control this from within the application. The application allows you to select the mode remotely, so if you want to go from cleaning the floor to cleaning the walls, you're able to make that change within the app. You have three modes on the machine. So the first mode is the walls and floor, and then you've got just the floor and just the walls, but you get 7 additional modes within the application, including both an eco floor and a turbo floor. So if you just need a light cleaning, you got your eco floor, and if you need a more deep clean on your floor, you've got the turbo floor cleaning mode right there in the app. The application also gives you access to scheduled cleaning so that you can have this to repeat cleanings on a regular basis, keeping your pool nice and tidy. I also really like how efficient this is with cleaning. This has an infrared sensor, depth sensor, and a 6-axis gyroscope, so this is able to see where it's going, which gives us the ability for intelligent path cleaning. You can actually see this moving in an S-shaped pattern. You have different options for cleaning modes. The floor cleaning mode has the star pattern, the cross pattern, or the S pattern. Any of these patterns ensures that every inch of your pool's floor gets cleaned with nothing missed. You also have multiple modes for the wall cleaning as well, including H pattern, N pattern, or Z pattern, once again ensuring that no inch of your pool's walls are missed. At the price point, the Wybot S2 is definitely one of the more powerful pool cleaners that I've seen, with triple powerful brushless motors and a dual layer filtration system. This is not only going to pick up all the leaves and debris, but is even going to be able to pick up sand and dust from the pool's floor and walls. The filter box is able to pick up debris of up to 180 ultramicrons, and then that second sponge layer in the filter ensures that no dust or dirt is able to be put back into the pool. So with some other pool robots that are even much more expensive than this, I've seen as they clean the dirt off the floor, it's kind of just washed right back out the backside of the machine. Here, that second filter ensures that all the dirt stays inside the unit and doesn't just spit right back into your pool. The motor here puts out 91 watts of power and is moving a ton of water through the system. You can definitely tell that as it makes ripples and waves in the water surface. The Wybot S2 gives a fully comprehensive cleaning from the floors to the pool walls and even to the water line, which is definitely a major benefit here because we have azaleas that bloom in the spring and they definitely put off tons of pollen. All of our pine trees put out tons of pollen, which settles right there on the water line. So having this water line cleaning really makes a difference. Once this is finished cleaning your pool, it will park next to the wall of your pool for easy retrieval. You can use the hook that's included to very easily retrieve this robotic cleaner. Overall, if you're looking for a high quality, powerful pool robotic cleaner, the Wybot S2 is definitely a great option. I'll be sure to include links in the description of where you can pick yours up today. That about wraps it up for this video. Thanks guys for watching. Be blessed. I'll see you in the next one.